Congratulations on your purchase of your brand new Heartway P35 Chase. Here at Out and About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest mobility innovations. Thank you for joining the Out and About family. Now that you have your brand new Chase, it's time to open it. We recommend cutting the box down the sides to make getting your wheelchair out easier. Once the sides are cut, pull the wheelchair out from the box. The control panel will be wrapped to protect it in transit. Remove this packaging. Bring the control panel up and secure it in place with the red release lever. Bring the armrests up on both sides. To raise the seat, locate the red lever underneath the seat. Pull the lever up and raise the chair. Then unfold the backrest. In the box, you will have received a charger. To charge your wheelchair, connect the cable to the battery box. Your charging port is located on the control panel of your Chase. Plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your Chase. This will help protect it from damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into the standard wall outlet. If your battery indicator shows red, you will need to leave it to charge. We recommend charging your wheelchair overnight after daily use. Do not let your battery drop to zero. If the battery indicator shows green, your battery is fully charged. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator as it is a visual representation of your charge. On green, your battery is fully charged. On yellow, start considering charging. On red, you have a low battery and will need to charge your wheelchair. Your Chase has a joystick controller which features a battery gauge, speed control dial, power button and horn. Your Chase's control panel can drop down by releasing the red lever and gently lowering it. This is to help you get closer to tables without the need to leave your wheelchair. The controller is still operational when lowered, so exercise caution. To pull it back up, simply pull the red lever and bring the control panel back up. Slide the red lever back into place. The Chase has height adjustable arms. Simply push a button and pull the armrests up or down to suit your needs. To move the armrest backwards, press the button above the reflector marker and swing the arm back. In the event of travel, your Chase has a removable battery. Simply turn the key to unlock position and pull the battery from the base. To reinsert it, line the battery bottom up with the base and slide it in. Then turn the key to the lock position. The battery also has a charging port if you wish to charge it separately from the wheelchair. To fold your wheelchair, fold the backrest down, pull the red release lever below the seat and push the chair down until you hear a click. Fold the armrest down and then fold the control panel down. If you have any questions with your new Chase, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.